we're switching. I can't see the shifter. I can't see the gearbox. It's under. You can probably get under. Move some of this stuff out the way so nothing falls on my head. Avocados, Mexico. Okay. Toolbox. I've never gotten down inside of one of these, but dang, that's a big boy. I'll get up and then get down. Cause that's bigger. So get up and get down. My dog's running underneath the semi all the time. Okay, looks mildly good. I have to take a mild little break. You guys are just like, here, we're gonna take a break. So we'll be right back. After no messages. We're back. Get back over here on semi. Pop this baby in my pocket. Oh, that's bright. This axle's pretty good. This fifth wheel on tick. Goodbye. This is a fifth wheel then. I don't know if she works. I'll have to see. Sooner or later. I can see some wiring down here. Not connected to anything. So we'll have to check that. Get down. Jesus. Okay, let me try to spin this. Okay, so we know she moves, probably. But I don't know what brakes we've got on this truck. So, I want to see. These drum brakes, bro, I swear to God. This is a Lodestar, should not have drum brakes. We'll have to get down and dirty. I've never gotten under this before, and I don't want to. But we just might have to. A couple, like in like winter time or so, I checked we're gonna get under here. I checked the that was stand shift. We'll have to get under there. In the cab. Cause I don't know how to speeds or how to shift this thing. Get in the cab. Here we go. Okay. In the cab. Jesus. Get all this down. Look how clean those windows are, though. Okay. We're in the cab. Put a stop on this door here. There we go. Let's flip it. So we have to do a tiny bit of digging. Does anyone know what that is? got an armrest for that. I kind of want to put it back on. Probably will. Now, what I have to do is get in here. Okay, so this is neutral. I can go up. Like this. But it moves like this. No other gears like this. I don't think there's any others, and then they can go back. Wait. Forwards. Oh God. Jesus, this is really hard. So we can go like forwards. It's not going. Oh my God. Go down. Go down. Up, down like this, and go to the side, and down like that. It still moves like that. And it pops out. Then it can go. It can go forwards. It's not going anymore. I feel like there's a problem with this. Here, you can hear something clicking. Okay, let me try to use the clutch to do it. There we go. Just like that. Let's clutch it again. It's not going. Yeah. These things are behind the clutch. For some reason. It's not going for some reason. There's more things that we're gonna check. Oh, there we go. She cranked backwards and forwards. Backwards can move still. Then I'm pretty sure this is neutral. Then forwards. Forwards. Yes, she's not going anymore. I'm so confused with the shifter. Also, we should get this up. Okay, let me go grab some tools real quick. Oh, they fell out. Put that right. There. I'll get some tools, because it is a restoration video. Okay, we'll grab some. This will do. Oh, look. I might probably get on my stomach here. Pop my thing out. Oh, I accidentally unplugged it. Plug it back in there. Okay, we'll come back to part 4, I think. Part 3, maybe.